Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you ever wondered why ancient monks lived with such unshakable calm, such clarity, such boundless energy? In today's world, we carry tired minds, anxious hearts, and heavy bodies. Yet the monks say, the cure is already within you. In this video, you will learn 2 sacred Tibetan breathing rituals. One for the morning, one for the night. Practices that reawaken your inner healing energy, restore your sleep, relieve emotional pain, and bring back the light inside you. These rituals are simple and powerful, and used for centuries to overcome fatigue, stress, and spiritual imbalance. Today, you will learn them. There is a wisdom passed from monk to monk, a teaching that says, your breath is your first healer. Before medicine, before herbs, before prayers, there is breath. The monks call it the breath of the sleeping dragon, a deep spiritual energy resting at the base of your spine, locked away by stress, blocked by worry, silenced by shallow breathing. To awaken it, your breath must be long, slow, silent. This is the secret of their healing. And now, you will learn it too. The monks follow one sacred rule. Your breath reflects the state of your soul. When the breath is short, the mind becomes restless. When the breath is fast, the body becomes tense. When the breath is noisy, your energy becomes disturbed. But when the breath becomes long, slow, silent, the sleeping dragon awakens. This inner dragon is not fire. It is peace. It is strength. It is clarity. And it heals you from the inside. The breath of daylight healing. Approximate 4 minutes. Find a quiet place. Sit with your feet flat on the ground. Place your right hand on your belly, your left hand on your heart. Close your eyes gently. This ritual cleanses the nervous system. It wakes up your life force. It restores clarity. And it prepares your mind for the challenges of the day. Now breathe with me. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. A slow, silent inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. Let the energy settle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the mouth for 6 seconds. Release tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release yesterday's weight. Stay empty for 2 seconds. Feel the silence. 1, 2. This is one cycle. Repeat this 7 times. The monks say, 7 breaths rebuild the morning. Practice this ritual for 21 days. You will feel your sleep improve. Your fatigue melt away. Your emotional heaviness dissolve. Your dragon awakens. The breath of silent release. Approximate 4 to 5 minutes. The day ends. The mind is full. The heart holds unspoken words. And the body carries invisible stress. The monks teach a night ritual. To release everything. To cleanse the emotional body. To allow the soul to repair during sleep. Lie on your back. Right hand on your heart. Left hand on your lower belly. Feel your body sink gently. Now breathe. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. A soft, quiet inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8 seconds. Longer. Slower. Deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The long exhale activates your parasympathetic system. Your natural, deep rest mode. Repeat this cycle 9 times. And with every exhale, whisper in your mind, I release what doesn't belong to me. Release the stress. Release the fear. Release the pain. Let the night heal you. Let your breath restore you. Let your soul rest. The monks remind us. You are not broken. You are simply disconnected from your breath. True healing is not outside. Not in pills. Not in solutions that come and go. Healing is within you. It begins with awareness. It continues through breath. And it transforms into peace. Practice these rituals daily. Your life will begin to change. If this teaching touched your heart, then let your next breath be a blessing. And if you want more ancient wisdom, more Buddhist teachings, more practices for peace, healing, and clarity, subscribe to Heartfelt Wisdom. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs healing. And remember, your breath is your path. Your silence is your strength. And your inner light is waiting to shine again.